Welcome to Honeymooners Club.
Yay.
We made it. They just got our upgrade. In this video, we're going to show you guys exactly what you get when you book the cheapest room at the Waldorf Astoria Cabo, which is the standard king room. But if you stay tuned to the end, we're going to also show you what you score when you get a free upgrade to a 3-bedroom villa.
Here we are, Waldorf Astoria, Los Cabos. So this is the entrance as soon as you come in. Beautiful landscaping. It's literally built out of the rocks. And the way you enter is literally through a cave, and then the hotel is on the other side completely. Craziest entrance to any hotel I've ever stayed at. When you show up to the property, they ask for your name, and they also get your drink order so that it's ready for you when you're there checking in the lobby. They have custom Chevy cars with Waldorf Astoria logos for all of your transportation throughout your stay.
Guys, welcome to the Waldorf Astoria Los Cabos. We just checked in and got our great margaritas upon check-in. We're gonna give you a room tour, but first, let me tell you more about the check-in process.
So immediately when you're downstairs at the gate, they ask for your name, they ask you what kind of drink you want, margarita. There's also a non-alcoholic option, hibiscus tea. It was really good. You had it, right? It was pretty refreshing.
It was very refreshing. I loved it.
After that, someone greets you and they go over pretty much all of the accommodations that they have. They give you a mini hotel tour. And then they also tell you about some of the cool things that the resort has to offer, like a lot of complimentary classes, wellness programs, and tell you a little bit about the season that you're in, because we are here in January and there's crazy amounts of whales that we've been able to see.
We literally just saw a ginormous humpback whale jump out of the water. One important tip to remember is when you're checking in, make sure to make a reservation at El Faraon, because reservations do get booked out pretty far in advance. So that's one of the important tips that you should remember. And because you get this crazy great view, if you want to look at whales, they do provide you with these binoculars. So you can look out and hopefully see some whales.
Big king-size bed, and you have a full seating area with a fireplace right next to it. You have this closet with your Waldorf Astoria robes and also full-length mirror. Nice little bag for anytime you're walking around and you want to put some of your stuff in. Nice little beach tote. And now time for the bathroom. It's a gigantic wooden door, too, actually. Over here, you got the Jeffrey, aka toilet.
Yes.
And if you ever get tired after your shower, no need to worry. You got a couch just sitting here for you. Gradable Waldorf Astoria shampoos.
Ooh,
Green tea, mint, and ginger. Oh, look at this. Soak rituals. Whoa!
So you can lather yourself.
Hold on, wait. Yeah, it's bubble bath, but wow. Alright, so you walk in to your little living room area. Nice big TV, an espresso machine, lots of fun things in here, a safe, fridge with some water, drinks. Came in, we got a nice little note from the hotel and this complimentary glass heart. The resort has more than anything that you forget, they will definitely make sure to provide. Just look at this, like, you know, personal pool that you have. It's heated, so you don't have to worry about like going all the way down if you don't want to go visit their other 2 big infinity pools. Yay!
We made it. Because of our Hilton Diamond status, we were upgraded from the 1-bedroom ocean view suite to a 3-bedroom resort casita with a plunge pool. From $3,000 a night to this jaw-dropping $5,000 a night villa with 3 bedrooms, space for 7, and total luxury. Right guys, they just got our upgrade, so let's check out our 3-bedroom villa.
So when you walk in, okay, you immediately get greeted with this Reposada tequila decanter that's customized to the resort, and it's a complimentary gift. So tip number 1, make sure you have brought a checked bag so you can take this home with you. Welcome to the living room. Huge. I've never seen a couch. I've never seen anything like this. It's like a double-decker couch with like a lounging chair in it. It's just, and like 500 pillows. Crazy.
This living room is giving.
Yeah. Hopefully you don't use it too much though, because you actually want to be outside and enjoying the property. Next we have the dining room, indoor. There's also one outside, which we'll show in a little bit. Nice little desk working area with a completely like fur chair. Second dining room.
2 dining tables, 1 outside, 1 inside.
2 loungers. Wow. Fancy you here.
Your own heated plunge pool. Wow.
Amazing. Welcome to the kitchen. Can't believe we were greeted with something like this. Just look at this. It's a custom cake. Welcome to the Honeymooners Club, and they just so thoughtfully like placed it and made this artwork forever to be continued. Never seen anything like this before. Amazing. Let's continue the kitchen tour. So first of all, the first thing anyone sees when they come in here is like, this is the fridge. Easy built-in fridge.
Oh my god.
They told us all of the water, juices, and sodas in here are complimentary and restocked daily. Pretty much it's a fully stocked kitchen, microwave, stove, everything that you could ever need is in here. Even a dishwasher and this like crazy sink. There's literally a washer dryer. Let's head to the bedrooms. Super luxurious, 2 queen beds. Check out this bathroom. Ginormous, like 12-foot shower head, rainfall shower. Then you got another guest bathroom over here, in case you have other people coming.
Where do you connect?
To the left, we got the second guest bedroom. Similar layout, but ocean view.
Really? Each room has its own bathrobes? Oh wow. Beautiful. The last.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
It's crazy. Like, this is the best room I've ever seen in my whole life. Fireplace, and it's actually hot. Like, it's actually warm over here.
It's toasty.
Each room also has its own beach tote, so you don't have to carry around and ruin your bag. You can just hold this. You got the robes, slippies. Come check out the bathroom, which is pretty much like another room all together. You have 2 separate sinks, one over here, the second one over here.
Wow. Which one's yours?
This one's mine. And we actually learned that this is like some local bath soap that actually has honey. And that's why it just conveniently has like a little honeycomb shape. Here, you got the shower. Crazy beautiful rainfall shower with a beautiful ocean view. Last stop of the amazing villa tour is obviously the master bedroom view. So beautiful.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video. If you've enjoyed seeing the room upgrade and behind the scenes of our Waldorf Astoria Cabo stay, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps our channel grow. And make sure to stay tuned for our next video where we'll take you through all the food options, breakfast and lunch and dinner, pools, and luxury amenities that this resort has to offer. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below and let us know if you've stayed here or if it's on your travel list.